Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety here with today's lesson on eye protection and preservation. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. In many industries, there are jobs that pose serious risks to one's eyes. There are four main types of injuries to the eye in the workplace, which include sudden blow to the eye, penetration of the eye, chemical exposure, and burns from intense light. As we go through this lesson, pay attention to the hazards you may face and what you can do to prevent injury in the workplace. The highest number of accidents occur from the use and misuse of tools and equipment. This includes hand tools and tools that use compressed air. The majority of workers receiving eye injuries were not wearing eye protection. Other injuries can occur when there is poor housekeeping, there are splashes or vapors from chemicals, there is intense light from lasers or welding, and flying particles from saws or other types of grinders. The primary prevention to eye injury is protective equipment. Keeping the eyes shielded with the proper equipment is essential. The following are categories of different equipment you may need to use in your particular job. Safety glasses. These are the most commonly used eye protection. They are made much stronger than streetwear lenses. They are impact resistant and come in prescription and non-prescription. Goggles. These are very similar to the safety glasses, but they fit much closer to the eyes. These are necessary when working in situations which could result in splashes, fumes, vapors, and dust injuries. Face shields. Full face shields are often required to guard against molten metal and chemical splashes. These shields can be made to fit over a hard hat or to wear directly on the head. Equipment guards. Plant equipment and machinery is the source of many eye injuries. Be sure to use guards, screens, and shields that are attached to any equipment. Make sure they are always in place and used along with additional eye protection. Don't forget the people who are bystanders or co-workers. If your job cannot be isolated, then your co-workers in your area also need to wear the proper eye protection.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.